The sun is up. Time to wake up Toto and Pickle.
Good morning, Pickle. Wake up!
Good morning, Toto. They sit up in bed, stretchy arms and sleepy smiles.
Pickle, let's get dressed.
Pickle and Toto jump out of bed. Toto opens the wardrobe. What are Toto and Pickle going to wear? Clothes fly everywhere.
I like this blue t-shirt.
Oh, a yellow t-shirt for me.
Toto pulls on his shirt. Over the head it goes. Oh no! Pickle's shirt is the wrong way round. It's back to front.
Uh-oh, that's not right.
Let me help.
A little wiggle here and a little pull there. Now it fits. Now it's time to put on trousers. Toto has chosen blue trousers and Pickle has chosen yellow trousers. Toto steps into his blue trousers, one leg, then the other, all done. Oh no! Pickle's trousers are on backwards. Oh dear!
Oh, silly Pickle.
Now it's time to put socks on. Toto likes yellow socks and Pickle likes blue socks. Toto sits down and puts on his socks. Pickle hops on one foot and looks at his lovely socks.
All done, they both say as they jump up and down with excitement.
Whee!
They hold hands and go outside into the garden to play. They follow the beautiful butterflies in the garden. See you next time.
See you soon, it's time to go. Toto and Pickle say hello. We'll be back to play real soon. Maybe morning, night,